Right, so today I'm going to be converting this piece of oak into a little buzzard, something like that maybe. So most of the time I tend to use Stihl cordless chainsaws. I like the battery saws, less noise, less vibration, no fumes, no starting issues. And I've been using them for 2 years now, absolutely brilliant. I'll be starting with my new one. This is the Stihl MSA 300, and she all charged up, and she's all charged up, ready to go. Has 3 power settings on this one. I generally use it on power level 2, although you can use it on 3. 1 just for detailing, 2 is the one I use mostly for blocking out and just general trimming around a carving, and 3 for if you're going through something fairly hefty. But I don't use that very often, goes through the batteries a bit quick. So that's on 2. And then the next phase will be with Stihl MSA 220, which has got its standard 14-inch bar on. That'll be the next sort of lighter stage of blocking out and getting the shape refined. And then when we get into the detail and feathers and really finding the shape, I'll be using another Stihl MSA 220. But that one's got a 12-inch carving bar on it, with a finer tip. So yeah, so that's what we'll be doing. Let's get it done.